Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this BricsCAD video, I will show you how you can set the geographic location in BricsCAD. The geographic location command is important because it sets the location of your drawing. This is important for things like live streaming of maps as well as for coordinate conversions and so on. Now in this video, I'm going to highlight more about how users in India can set their desired UTM coordinate system. So you can see there is a GIS coordinate system option here, and if you click on these three dots, it's going to open a complete set of coordinate systems which are available for you to use. Now in India, we normally use the UTM coordinate system. I'm just going to filter and search and type UTM here. So here you can see all the UTM coordinate systems which are available. Now within this you can see there is UTM 27, which is the NAT 27 datum of the US, and then there is UTM 83, and then there is UTM 84. So UTM 84 is based on the WGS 84 spheroid and is the universally accepted coordinate system which usually even the Google Maps and your GPS instruments follow. You can come to this section, and then if you scroll down you can see the zone numbers here. So you can see that I'm going to bring it to this point here where you can see zone numbers 42 to 47. So 42 to 46 is the range within which the entire country of India's coordinate systems falls. So we are in the northern hemisphere, so it is 42N to 46N. So even within this, 43N and 44N cover probably about 75 to 80% of India. Then you have 42N, which is the extreme western side, which is Gujarat and some parts of Maharashtra. And then you have 45 and 46, which are the extreme eastern sides like beyond Kolkata and the northeastern parts and so on. Even Andaman and Nicobar Islands is covered in the zone 45 or 46. So normally most of the central portions of India require either 43 or 44. So you just have to choose your desired coordinate system here and then click OK. Now once this is done, your drawing is ready for any further geographical operations within BricsCAD, like for example live streaming of maps or for coordinate conversions and so on. So this is how we set the coordinate system in BricsCAD using the geographic location command. So for a lot of people, they don't understand exactly what this command is and why it is important and all that. So this video makes it clear as to how you can use it. Now let me tell you one more thing. You can do this on an empty drawing, or you can do this on a survey drawing which you already have. So if you already have a survey drawing, you probably already know what coordinate system it is in, what UTM zone it is in, whether it is in UTM zone 43, 44, 42 or whatever, and accordingly you can set the geographic location. Once you set the geographic location, you can live stream maps or do other things. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.